Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of star, the next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle, trapezoid. First we coloring the shape of star and now we're using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we're using the color of red. Kids, now we're using the color of red. Now we're coloring the shape of pentagon and using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using red color and coloring the shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. Now we are using the color of black. Now we are using and mixing the color of black. Kids, now we are using the color of black and coloring the shape of square. The next one is triangle. We are again using the color of black. Now we draw the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of circle and using the color of blue. Now we're using the color of blue and coloring the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using blue color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. First we're coloring the shape of star and now we're using yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're coloring the shape of star and using yellow color. Kids, the next one is pentagon. the shape of pentagon. The next one is square. Kids, now we coloring the shape of square and using green color. Now we mixing and using green color. Now we coloring the shape of square, and the next one is triangle. We are again using the color of green and coloring the shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is circle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, now we are using yellow color and coloring the shape of circle. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of red. Now we're mixing and using the color of red. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.